What's up guys, this is Sandeep here. So in this video I am going to show you how you can install Awesome Screenshot extension in the Firefox web browser. So open Firefox and search for the Awesome Screenshot, and in the search result select this one, addons.mozilla.org. click on this. So this opens the add-on page. So here you will find one button. Click on this button, add to Firefox. Click on add button. If you want to allow this extension to run in private window, just check this, click on OK. If you already have an account, you can accept and sign in. So right now I am not doing that. So you can see the extension is installed here. This is the extension. So this extension is also available for the Chrome and the Safari browser as well. This extension has more feature in Chrome compared to Firefox. So if you are using the Chrome, I would suggest you to install this in Chrome and take advantage of the additional feature available in this extension. For this video guys, so I hope you like this small video. Please share and subscribe.